So it is, what's today? Today is Tuesday, August 22nd at basically 9 in the morning. Alright, listen, let me tell you something. Right now I'm at Giant Eagle. I gotta go to, let me turn this off. So I'm at Giant Eagle. I have to go to the bathroom. You guys saw me check in to, and if not, let me insert the clip right now.
Morning, sunshine.
Hi, darling.
How you doing?
You don't mind this. How are you?
Blessed. Beautifully blessed.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you. What time did you leave yesterday?
About, what time did I leave? 5?
5 after 5.
5 after 5.
Yep.
Hopefully they ain't going that late today. But they probably are.
They are, but you know, you never know. You can always say you got something to do.
That's
my favorite band.
I don't know them, I'm sorry. It's just a cute shirt.
I saw them in concert once.
Did you?
Yeah.
The other day I was at the grocery store and I had a Spice Girl shirt on. This lady was like, she ran up to me, she was like, in front of the cart, and was like, where did you get your shirt from? I said, well, okay. I was like, I'm thinking she's trying to get to the bananas. I'm like, no, she really wanted to stop me. I said, okay.
I have pictures of people's shirts. And I said, well, I can, you know, just zoom in on the shirt if you'd like.
Yeah.
And I have some of the women, they're like, oh no, go right ahead.
Yeah,
you know?
she wanted to touch me.
Like,
I was like, well, you might as well just go ahead and touch.
Yeah,
like,
I'm like, do you want to just take a picture? They're like, do you want to just take a picture? I'm like, yeah, it lasts longer, you know?
I think I got it from Target. I don't know. She's like, I'm going to Target. I'm like, okay, guys, bye. Okay, so you saw me basically sign in for the job or whatever. It's 9 in the morning. I had to clock in at 6:15. I had to be at this job at 7. Kind of got here at 7:15 because of traffic or whatever. The company I'm working for, they don't know when to quit. So 9 times out of 10, we're going to be working till 5 p.m. from 6 a.m. That's a lot of hours. Like, I was on this job yesterday and I had a lot of issues with the truck, so I didn't get to the job until 9, and I had to leave early for the girls, so I signed out at 4, but the lady said that they didn't leave until 5. So yeah, it's gonna be one of those kind of days. I ain't tripping off of it. But bitch, let me tell you real quick before I go to the bathroom, like you know, if you just in case you don't know, you know, I got a boo now. He's an older man, cool, no problem. So he just texted me because I called him this morning like, damn, like I called him last night, he didn't answer the phone. So then I called him this morning like, yeah, we fighting type shit. And so I'm like, no, well, we always talk in the morning on some good morning, where you going, where you at type of shit, because he drives too. And I didn't get that. I got a text, but I didn't get that. So then he just sent me a text basically like, I'm not ignoring you, I didn't charge my phone. And I'm like, aw, aw, little baby. Cause I be doing the most. I need to chill the fuck out. I be doing the most. And he be so patient with me. I guess the benefits of being with an older man, but Now, baby, listen, I feel like anytime anyone thinks of Ohio, they be thinking of cornfields and like, what is it I do? It's Ohio. Like, it's nothing but just land. And in this particular part of the city, baby, you was right. Okay? There ain't nothing over here but cornfields and land and farms. Okay? Now, when you come closer to where the folks is at, but you know, these folks out here, they like they shit spread out. They don't want to be on top of people. Okay? So, yeah, welcome to the country, baby. We're basically halfway through the day. We're really like, I got one more trip left to do 9 times out of 10 based off of timing. Like you saw a little bit of pieces of it, but I don't know. Not too much. I'm over here trying to pay attention and shit like that. But basically, so we're going from like one side of the town to another side of the town. So it takes 20 minutes one way, so like 40 minutes. It's like 3 o'clock right now. This company, like I told you, don't know when to quit. So they're going till 5. But you gotta incorporate like timing, I guess you could say, of it all. So it's gonna be a little minute anyway. And after, oh fuck, I was supposed to pay my phone, not my phone, my car note. Oh, I gotta make that payment. And then after that, I gotta get my car fixed because I think it's spark plugs or coils, whichever one it is. Hopefully you can hear me over the truck. I'm kind of talking loud so that you can hear me. But I need to get, so I ordered some parts off of Amazon and they came in.
A few moments later.
Life never goes according to plan. So the original plan was I get off from work, I go to Bay's house, drop my car off there, we go to my house, get the stuff, come back. Well, I got off before he did, so that's not going to work out. The way my car is acting, it's going to take 30 minutes because it's like 5:30 to get from where I'm at to the other side of town. It's not a good deal. So I called one of my friends and she's going to pick me up. I'm going to do a couple errands with her. By that time, it should kill time for when Bay's off from work. And then when Bay's off from work, then I'm going to come back to work, get my car, go to his house. Then to go to my house type shit. And in the process of this, and then if she wasn't able to do it, I was going to go get tacos and just eat in a restaurant and just kill time. So, that's the game plan. We're about to see how that is going to work. How long that's going to work for. So, but I'm officially off, as you could tell. I was in a different vehicle. And we're going to go from there.
A few moments later.
Oh, life has changed again. So basically, it wasn't enough time. By the time she got here, he was about 10-15 minutes out. So basically, I didn't even do anything with her. And I'm on the way to his house, park the car, and we're on the way to my house. Get the shit gotta get, and then we are on the way. Like, I don't know, I feel like that's like the I don't call it the beauty of life. I guess that is the beauty of life, but I guess that's the lesson of life, where things just doesn't go according to plan, and sometimes you're just gonna have to like maneuver your way through life and just like don't get too attached to what you plan. And I am like 110% guilty of that shit, because I'd be like, I guess like with this whole single parent, co-parenting vibe that I got going on, it's like you have to plan everything. When you're the only income for your household, it's like you have to plan everything, like everything. And but I'm like realizing, especially with dating this man, that he's a very like don't get too attached to certain things as far as like time and like he's like calm down, and I'm like okay, like when he would say that I'd be like what the fuck do you mean, like just because you're older and you lived your life and yeah, you're ready to slow down, that don't necessarily mean it's like I need to slow down type shit. But then it's like when I sat back and I like kind of like analyzed what he was saying on my own time, it's like okay, I'm realizing that when it doesn't go according to plan, I kind of get angry or like frustrated. I don't think it's anger. I just get frustrated because it's like I planned for it to go this way and it didn't go this way. Now what am I supposed to do? But when you plan for something else, like okay, if you put in this amount of hours, you're going to get this amount of a paycheck. Like, so it's like, oh, why can't I do like the same way type shit? And I'm like, that's my part. It's like, ugh. But like that's really what I'm learning, and it's like I really appreciate him because I'm really like he's really teaching me a lot. But then like okay, period. Look, it is the benefits of dating an older man. Is this what comes with being an older man? Huh? But yeah, so nonetheless, we are changing plans again. And we're like 2 minutes away. That's the beauty of it. Like, he literally lives right down the street from the job. So, great. So, we're about to pull up. And then I'm about to hop in his car and get with it. Alright, I will talk to you guys later. Recording, sir.
What?
Are you gonna start recording? You'll get your iPhone.
No, I am. I was like thinking, like, you know what? I'm really missing. Like, I really want to see where that can go, or what it could become. Voyeurism, I think. No, seriously, that shit is like big. People are nosy. Everybody wants to see what the other person's doing. And I don't know why that's why is there such like a thing? It's such a thing that's almost like taboo. No, I'm doing it. No, yes, the fuck you do. You want to know what people are doing. And like the only way or the best way to get that kind of coming to those type of conclusions is video.
So you know what's so crazy is that when you said voyeurism or whatever, I've only looked that up in like porn or whatever.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit.
So I never,
okay,
when you said it, that's why I laughed.
To clarify, the word voyeurism is not only attached or a stigmatism to pornographic content.
It's not?
No.
Because I literally thought.
No, the word voyeurism
means to watch, right?
To explicitly watch, or to...
Explicitly? That means, isn't that porn?
No, explicit means just to like full throttle, like no holds barred. I'm watching. I don't care who sees me watch. I love to watch. So like, and that's the difference. No, that's a real fucking difference. Like, okay. Now, yeah, I've you know, kind of seen it, been around a few things. Like, so like.
Oh, it don't seem like YouTube can hear this no more. He's such an old guy on the block from the 90s. From the 90s to the early 2000s.
Yeah, I want to be punching.
This is the 90s from the early 2000s.
A quick snack.
That is hot.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This one?
I just tapped it.
This one?
Yeah, tap it. It's a light tap.
Hey,
light
make
tap.
sure you put margarita on our top.
No. Don't even put that in your mouth. Don't. Okay.
I'll do the enchiladas.
Please, the margaritas on the house.
No, not doing that.
Nope.
No.
Okay,
Trust me, I'm enjoying life.
Is it hot? I told you not. I told you not to put all of that in your mouth.
Wow. Shit.
One beef, one chicken.
Oh, that's pretty warm.
Yo, this one's like really hot. Like really
I'm
hot.
gonna put that across the neck over there.
Dip it again.
No.
Dip it again, baby.
You see what just happened? That shit's so hot.
I don't think they caught it.
Shit.
You gonna start sweating?
Sorry, it's not no margarita. Margarita. Frozen with the roast.
On the rock. You don't want frozen?
Girl.
You're not girly?
No, I'm not girly.
Thank you.
You're aggravating. Y'all, so listen, when I try to order these tacos, right? You know, there's a language barrier because it's really authentic. So I was like, what are we gonna get? And first it was just steak. But baby, this shit is bussin'. And then look how much rice they put on a plate. That's what you call side of rice, baby.
It's just a snack, just a game warmer. This is what you
Yeah.
give you the.
Yeah. And then you know how normally you go to a place, we ate up all the chips, but you know how you normally go to a place and they give you the little salsa and chips?
That shit's good.
It came with salsa chips in the what's that thing called? Bean.
With the queso.
Babes only went to one little measly little taco, but it's actually good though. I'm going back to eating. Bye. Don't we love a man that knows how to work on cars? I know I do. You know I do.